Welcome. In front of me is a Realme 7, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and find the toggle. So it looks like it's on the second page for me, this moon icon, Do Not Disturb. Now before you tap on it, you want to hold it. This will take us to the settings, or we can customize it. So we have a schedule right as the first option, so you can set a schedule, and this way it's going to turn on automatically at a given day of the week and given time, and also turn off at the given time. So you can basically set it up once and forget about it. Then we have silent media when Do Not Disturb mode is on, so you can basically mute sounds when Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. And below that we have notifications, so we can select what kind of notifications will appear during the Do Not Disturb mode. So if you don't want some or you want some, just simply check them on accordingly. Then allow messages from anyone, contacts, stared, or no one at all. Stared are basically favorites. So select whichever one again you want. Then we have also calls right here. Same options as messages, so again select whichever one you want. I'm gonna go with none or no one, just to show off another option that is below. So ring for repeated callers, and this will completely bypass this option right here. So if this is on and someone calls you twice within a 3-minute period, they will still be able to reach you no matter what it is set to all, like in the section for allow calls from. But that is assuming they meet the requirement of calling twice within a 3-minute period. Now this option is fairly good for emergencies, so I would suggest that you enable it. And from there, once all that is set, you can basically leave this area and completely forget about this section right here. And all you need to do now is either wait for the time that you have set an automatic schedule to approach, and then it will turn on automatically, or by simply toggling it on yourself through the notification panel. Now keep in mind that if you toggle it on manually through here, you will still have to also disable it, otherwise it will basically be turned on till you do so. And you disable it by again just tapping on it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.